Hello and welcome guys to ProTradersNetwork channel. So in this video we will go through some index and one stock. So for the index we have Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we have also the AS500, SP500, and for the stock on the last one, so we have the Jill, because this stock it looks interesting and we will keep a closer eyes to it. Alright, so let's start with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Alright, so as we can see here on the chart, so we have this profitable trade for now, and we did like previous analysis. If you are like subscriber on the channel, you will notice that we uploaded some videos about those analysis from the beginning, from here, so until we are executed this trade here. So as we said before, that we had this pin bar and this big wick, alright, this bullish pressure at $35,080, alright. So it was the higher high and the highest record ever on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So we get back to, and we bounced from these two levels as a support one here and the resistance here. So we was creating this ranging market, this consolidation area. And after I said, like, once we break through this high here, through this bullish pin bar, so we are going to execute the trade and take the price to next high, and I am targeting here 36,000. Alright, so once we broke here, so we start ranging on this level. So just to confirm that this level is broken, like confirmation, and it will hold the price as a support. Alright, so it was a resistance before, and after it become a support. Alright, so it hold the price perfectly, as we can see here. And once we broke through these candles, all these candles, so we execute the trade, and now it's round out from $35,139. So, and now it take it to $35,515, and this is not bad at all. So I believe that we are going to hit the full TP on the next weeks and the next days to $36,000. So I just hold this trade, and we will see on the next weeks. Alright, so this is my analysis on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I call it out on the community. Who is subscribed with us, he will get benefit from this trade. Alright, so let's move now to the AS500, the SP500 index on the daily time frame also. So as we can see here, the SP is trending bullish, as we can see, for months and months and months. So starting from October 2020, it's starting to trending bullish. No bearish movement, just some deep correction, and after trending bullish, deep correction and moving bullish. This is it. And now what we are looking for the AS500, as we can see now, it's very strong bulls in the market, but you don't need to buy from this level because it will be risky. But we will wait for some deep correction, and we buy through the dip to ride the price another and second time to the upside. Alright, as we can see here on the last months, so there is a deep correction, and after trending bullish, and after deep correction and trending bullish, deep correction and trending bullish, so we will wait for the fourth deep correction here as we expect. So it will be just here on this depends on this trend line created here on the lower of the wick, the low of the wick, and on this candlestick here, this price action, as we can see, this price action of two candles, bearish with bullish. You can call it as a tweezer top or engulfing, as you like, but just we expect for a bearish one to be here and after a bullish confirmation, so we can execute the trade in this area here as we expected and on our previous data, because we have here a resistance, which a resistance here which became a support here. So we expect a second time for the price to back to this level here, or just at least here, and make this weak rejection here and close it here, so we can take the price from that level and ride it to the upside. Alright, so this is what I think, because here we have also resistance and we have this multiple rejection here, so I think the price can just correct here and we take the price to the upside. So this is my analysis on the S&P500, and let's look for our last stock on the Jill. So we are on the ascending triangle on the resistance. Alright, we are at a resistance as we can see here. So we was trending very on strong bullish momentum, and after start to consolidating inside ascending triangle. Alright, so what we expect on the next days, so to continue just consolidating on this ascending triangle. Once we broke through it, as we can see here that we have a high here, a higher time here, so once we broke through this above it, so we can execute a trade, a buy trade. I think it will be aggressive trade, and it will be an aggressive bullish momentum like this one. Once we broke through this, once we broke through this triangle, as we can see here, just notice it just right now, just once we broke through it, we did a correction here and we ride the price all the way up. Alright, so I think the same here, we are trending on ascending triangle. Once we broke it, we can anticipate into buys. Alright, so yeah guys, this is my analysis and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and give us some ideas or information or anything, and see you on the next video.